Feeling overwhelmed by packing? I totally get it, but don't worry, I've got you covered. Check out these awesome tips to make packing a breeze and ensure you're ready for your trip. Number 1. Create a packing list to avoid forgetting anything. Number 2. Choose the right luggage for your trip's length and your personal style. Number 3. Check weight and size restrictions from your transportation provider. Number 4. Pack according to the weather and the activities you have planned. Number 5. Roll your clothes to save space and prevent wrinkles. Number 6. Use packing cubes or compression bags to stay organized and maximize space. Number 7. Pack heavy items at the bottom of your luggage for better balance. Number 8. Utilize empty spaces by stuffing socks or underwear inside your shoes. Number 9. Wear bulky items during travel to save space in your luggage. Number 10. Keep important items easily accessible, like your passport and phone charger. Number 11. Prioritize essentials and leave non-essential items behind. Number 12. Opt for travel-sized toiletries to save space and comply with regulations. Number 13. Keep valuables in your carry-on for added security. Number 14. Leave room for souvenirs or shopping. Follow these tips to pack like a pro and enjoy a stress-free journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel tips. Safe travels!